Conversation 116, between two students.
In which class are you studying?
I am in 8th standard. What about you?
I am in 9th standard.
Do you come to school by bus?
Yes. I travel by bus. I have to catch route No. 24 bus.
It has passed on just 15 minutes before.
There is another bus at 4:45 p.m.
Who is he leaning on the iron pole?
He is a beggar. He is a trouble to the passengers.
He seems to be blind.
We must help the blind people.
Conversation 117, during school admission. Good morning, madam.
Good morning. Sit down. What do you want?
I want admission into 6th standard.
Where did you study last year?
I studied in Tarumangalam.
Then why do you want admission here?
My father has been transferred to Madurai branch.
What is your father?
He is a bank officer.
Where is he?
He is seated there. Shall I call him?
Fill in this application form and come in the afternoon.
Conversation 118, at the school assembly. Dear students, you must be in time for the assembly.
Yes, sir.
What day is today?
Today is Wednesday.
Kamala, when did we get independence?
In 1947, sir.
Do we celebrate Independence Day every year?
Yes, sir.
On what day do we celebrate Independence Day?
On August 15th, sir.
Do we hoist the flag on all days?
Yes, sir.
Conversation 119, at grammar class. Mala, stand up. What am I teaching now?
Sir, you are teaching grammar.
Sundar, look at the board. See the word. Grammar, is the spelling correct?
Yes, sir. The spelling is correct.
I am now going to teach you about nouns. What is a noun?
A noun is the name of a person, a place or a thing.
Kolkata is a big city. Here are two nouns.
Sir. What are they?
Kolkata and city.
What kind of nouns are they, sir?
Kolkata is a proper noun and city is a common noun. Conversation 120, about the English teacher. Where is Khanum?
Sir, he is absent today.
Why is he absent?
Sir, he has gone to Tirupur to attend his sister's marriage.
Has he sent the leave letter through you?
No, sir.
Then it is very bad. You must not be absent without leave letter.
Yes, sir.
Have you answered the paragraph questions?
Yes, sir. We have.
Boys, look at that picture on the wall.
Who is he?
He is a Bengali poet named Tagore.
Sir, I know about him very well. He got Nobel Prize for Literature.
Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Sreyoun in order to get more videos. Thank you.